Hi there! I have just released my new video course, Deep Dive into Match Look and AI Masking. And today I have prepared a free lesson from that course on eye enhancement using AI masks. You will see how to set visual accents on eyes, how to quickly change iris color, and how to make red veins in eyes less noticeable. In the full course, you will learn best practices for match look and AI masking. We will also uncover hidden features of these tools, such as using AI-generated images for match look and combining AI masks with Luma Range. Access the full course at alexandra.com/deepdive. First, here is my recipe for general eye enhancement. I prefer to use a mix of contrast with fairly strong HDR correction, like this, and a noticeable clarity adjustment. Let's balance the adjustments a bit. Yeah, this is the enhancement I was looking for. In the lesson materials, you will find free styles to enhance eyes, as well as 12 additional free styles that come with the lesson. By the way, you can always reduce the opacity if you feel that these settings are too strong for your image. So here I'm going to set the opacity to around 50. And as with any people masking, you can copy it to a new image and it will adapt to it. So I'm going to copy this layer, just make sure to exclude any other adjustments. And now I'm going to apply this layer to the new image. As you can see, Capture One has masked the eyes and applied the same adjustments with the same opacity from my original image. Second, there is a simple way to change the iris color using the color editor skin tone. Simply select the full color wheel in the color editor skin tone, like this. Now set the hue uniformity to 100 and just drag the sample spot to your target color, let's say this one. Again, you can easily copy these adjustments to a new image. Just click Copy, exclude all the other adjustments. Now let's click Apply, and perfect. Sometimes you might need to apply a bit more pronounced color change, and if the skin tone color editor can deliver this level of transformation, then you can accompany your editing with color balance and even white balance sometimes. But now we have a problem. As you can see, we have also changed the color of the catch lights in the eyes. Fortunately, there is a simple solution. As I have shown before, you can use Luma Range to exclude a particular brightness range from your AI mask, like this. Best of all, Luma Range adapts to your images, so you can easily copy it with your AI mask. Let's apply it to a new image. And as you can see, Capture One created a unique mask that contains our Luma Range settings. Finally, you can use AI masks to make red veins in eyes less noticeable. First, you need to create a scleral mask to select the whites of the eyes. Usually this works quite well, but sometimes you might need to manually erase AI mask from surrounding areas. Now click on the red vein in the color editor to find its color on the color wheel. By the way, they're usually not quite red. Now you need to find a balanced mix of desaturation and lightness to make the red veins less noticeable, like this. If you enjoyed these techniques, I guarantee you will have fun and learn new tricks when you watch the full course. Plus, you will get 15 free styles with the course to make your AI masking and match look workflow even more effective. By the way, you can get deep dive into match look and AI masking for free when you enroll in the Capture One Expert course. Learn more at alexandra.com/deepdive and see you in the course.